Here we are again for another Star Wars Land update. Disneyland, California. The Battle Escape building has come a long ways since our last time here. A lot more concrete poured over here on these guys. A lot more shoring up to start pouring concrete. Over here you see they got the bridge done for the new train route. Some people over there having fun in land. Right in front of Splash Mountain. Of course the river is full now, you can see it right there. Let's take a look and see what they got going on. A lot of rocks down there. There's people working today. There's one of the entry tunnels right there. Being from Frontierland on the walkway, in between Frontierland and Fantasyland. That's where you can take the light side and the dark side. Which one will you be? Which way will you walk in? Just kind of curious what these two added rooms are on top of the escape building. Interesting to find out. We got some construction over there in the Millennium Falcon building. Can't really see much from over here for that guy. And the AT-ATs are so buried in there now, you can't even make out where they're at anymore. What do we got in here? There's a round building, some support poles in the center. I wonder why only half of it's covered. We'll have to find out later. Very cool. But as they build up, they're going to be closing it off and we won't be able to see as much anymore. That is a bummer. So we got to see what we can while we can, because like I said, once these walls goes up, they will be covering a lot of it. Well, thank you guys so much for checking out the video today. We have some other videos all the way from the beginning when they started doing this. Thanks guys. Bye bye.